Good day, everyone. Today, I will teach you how to use Microsoft Word, one of the most important tools for creating documents like reports, letters, and even resumes. Now, here I will teach you how to use Word and how to use it easily. First, let's open Microsoft Word. If you're using Windows, click the Start menu, then type Word in the search bar, and click on the Microsoft Word icon. If you're using a shortcut on your desktop, just double click it. Now that Word is open, let's look at the screen. At the top, you'll see the ribbon. This contains tabs like File, Home, Insert, Layout, and more. Each tab has different tools you can use. Here, I will teach you how to increase your font size in Word. First, highlights the text you want to make bigger. Then go to the top toolbar and look for the font size. Usually a number like 11 or 12. Click the arrow next to it and choose a bigger number like 16 or 18. You will see that the text becomes larger right away. Another way to do it is by clicking the increase font size button. It looks like a bigger letter A with an upward arrow. Each time you click it, the text gets a little bigger. This is useful when you want to make titles or important words stand out in your documents. Now, default text, I will teach you how to bold letters or how to underline. To make text bold, highlight the text, then click the B icon in the Home tab. For italics, click the I, and for underline, click the U. You can also change the font size like from Calibri to Times New Roman and font size in the toolbar. Just click the font name or size, then choose from the list. If you want to change the font color, click the A with the color bar under it and choose your preferred color. Later, see that. You can also align your text using the alignment buttons. Left align, center, right align, or justify, depending on how you want your text to look. These formatting tools help make your documents look more organized and professional. Try them out and see the difference. Now I will teach you how to copy or cut letter. See. Here, I will teach you how to use color in text in Microsoft Word. First, highlight the text that you want to change the color of. Then go to the Home tab on the top toolbar. Look for the icon with the letter A and a colored bar under it. This is the font color tools. Click the small arrow next to it to open the color options. You will see many colors. Just click the one you like and it will change the color of your selected text. If you want more color choices, click more color at the bottom of the color menu. And the last thing we will teach is how to save what we have done in Word, so that what we have done is not. To save your document, click on File, Save As, choose where you want to save it, like desktop or document folders, then give your file a name, like my first document, and click Save, like this. Yan. Pag napindot nyo na yun guys, nakasave na yun. Yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.